Hey guys, KLE from EC Offroad in Queensland. I'm going to give you a quick update of what we're doing in the workshop. We know you guys love it. It's the end of April. We are still super busy. We're going to show you what's in the shop. We're going to go out to the car park and give you a quick run through. Right here, starting off guys, 1500 DT Ram. We've got some suspension, some airbags. By the look of it, it needs it. It's got the awesome Norwell canopy on the back, front bar, roof rack. Pretty simple. We might even put some chrome delete on there. That is going to look good. Let's mosey on down. Y62 Patrol, guys, this one's a fairly decent build. Chrome delete, we've got the dash bar, twin 90 amp BCS lithium, GVM guys, wheels and tyres and some drawers in the back. Chop 200, don't see many of these anymore. Awesome car, still one of my favourites. GCI tray on the back guys, you've got wheels, tyres, a heap of ARB bar work going on this one, it's going to be awesome. All colour coded up, side rails, side steps, front bar, inside as well, head unit and some bits and pieces in there guys. F350, this is getting your liquid springs. We've got a heap of liquid springs coming up. We've showed you guys what it can do. It is awesome. This one's getting some liquid spring 4-inch kit. We've color coded it up to that forward blue, looking awesome. Over here guys, another Kelderman system. So leaf springs out of, that's a new 24 model Chev. The 2-inch rear, full air, 4-link Kelderman going in that. Let's have a look on the front. Got a new bar going on the 24 model here guys, that's going to look awesome, stay tuned. Some canopies and some bits and pieces over there, power systems. Let's have a look what we got in the car park. Hopefully our 450 will make it into the shop soon to get some add-ons in the canopy. Right now it's just sitting here looking pretty. Work Hilux, don't worry about that one. Ram God guys, you've all seen that, monster build. He's done one trip, absolutely loves it, come back for a few more add-ons. Over in the corner, we've got Ram 3500 waiting build. We have got a new 24 model Chev 2500 in the red. Number plates, sin bin, how good. Waiting a GCI tray tech canopy, suspension, wheels, tyres, roof rack, you name it. That's going to be awesome. 79 series guys, we did the GVM on this about a year or so ago. It's come back for a couple more things. Suspension check, looking good. Older model Chev here guys, I think it's about an 18, 19 model 2500 off-road creative front bar. We've done a winch. We did the BDS 4.5 inch in the front. We did the rear 4-link Kelderman to match the BDS. That's looking good. Patrol in here sitting pretty guys. It's all been stripped right now for the chrome delete. GVM, pre-rego, waiting a few things here. Chopped 300 series GR, pre-rego from BMW. Done a G-Works tray on that. We have done full king suspension to match the GVM and waiting an ARB front bar. The big work van. What have we got over here? This is a Patrol. It's had the GVM. Again, it's come back for a few more things. Rhino rack with our work light package. Our new head unit and steering wheel. Right here, we've got another Chev 2500 guys, 22 model. Smart cap on the back. The BDS 3-inch kit. And some side steps, that's done. Our 300 series guys with the full Baja kit, king suspension, billet arms, you name it. That is done, we're just about to do some content, so that also is GVM upgraded, that is looking awesome. That's a wrap. PS, quickly run back inside, we forgot 2 cars. While we're out there yarning to you guys, the boys have packed up and brought 2 in. Also, we've got another 2 red Chevs here. What have we got here? Red Chevy, that guy's from up north. That's gonna be awesome. RSI smart cap, front bar. It's a big bull bar too, wait for that one. Side steps, big power system behind the seat. That's gonna be a cool build. And this one, waiting tray canopy, BDS suspension, front bar. Don't miss the red ones of end of April workshop update. So we're super busy. Lead times aren't too bad at the moment, so give us a shout today if we can help you.